Hello, everybody. This is Val with
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. I just cooked some pigtails, and I'm gonna get some canned beans, green beans. Canned green beans are pre-cooked, so um, I'm just gonna put them in here and finish cooking them. I'm gonna put about 4 cans in here. Right now they still taste like the can it was sitting in, so you have to dock it up. Put some potatoes in here. And cut up half of a large onion. In it. Put that whole half of onion in here. And I just like to cut mine right over it. The chopping doesn't really matter as long as it's cut in there really, really good. Because it's going to cook down. Let's see, can I get it this one right here, because it's hard for me to cut through it. Now with the camera sitting there in the way, so I'm going to do this one right here. Put it in there. Put some garlic powder and salt in here. Also, right now I'm going to start off with the parsley. Garlic powder. I'm going to use some Lowry seasoned salt for salt also. Not having to put salt in it. Then I'm going to reach over here and get the black pepper. And go in my refrigerator and get the minced garlic. Spoon out. Some minced garlic. And stir everything. All that flavor from that, those pigtails, they've already been cooked. And all I have to do now is cook this until the potatoes get soft. Then you'll have green beans and potatoes. Put it down on low heat, then cover with the lid. And next time you look at that, it'll be done. Now we're going to look at the progress that we've made. The potatoes look done. Now all of that meat that was in here, I fished it out, or I got it out. potatoes are ready. I can cut that off now. It still has some meat in here because there was pieces of pork that cooked apart or tore apart as it cooked. But you don't have to leave all of your meat in the same pot. You can take it out and use it for something else and still use the broth to cook any vegetable that you like. I'm gonna plate up some to let you see what it look like. Trying to get some of these beans. And those are beans out of a can, made homemade style from scratch.